It's time to create something great. You're going to need a thick stencil for this coat. Start with some Kiwo Polycol Thick Coat and fill that scoop. You'll need 2 coats, flip, and then 10 coats on the other side. You want that surface to be nice and smooth before you put the screen into dry. Next up, line up your artwork, tape it to your screen, and hit it with some UV. Time to wash. On press. First screen is the splatter. Then the banner. Add a touch of highlight with some A-Magic black foil on press. On to the heart. We want it to be nice and puffy, so we're going to hit it 2 times. More foil on press. Now let's give this design some wings and grab that thick stencil from earlier. Wilflex HD Sharp Clear with Vortex Black Mix. Double stroke. Print, flash, print to get it as thick as you need. Onto the dryer. And finish up with some A-Magic holographic foil while it's still nice and hot. And there you have it. One custom shirt that is sure to stand out